Welcome to Maths Gym. In this episode of lessons, we are going to take a look at topic comparing quantities. Standard is class 7th, and this is NCERT's chapter 8. However, the other board students can use it as per their own chapters. Comparing quantities as a concept is introduced in class 7th, and many times students do get confused on the conceptual part of finding out increase or decrease as percent. Now, what happens is you are given many times, the values where you need to know increase or decrease in certain quantity as percentage. And that quantity could be increase in population, increase in price of a car, increase in price of a shirt, increase in salary. So any of those. Now the point is you are asked a question how to convert this into an increase or a decrease in quantity as percentages of initial amount. Fundamentally you are asked what is the increase in percent or decrease in percent as the case might be. You will get questions where you are given that the base value changes to a new value. What it means is that the scenario which will be given to you, there would be some base value which has changed to a new value. It could be an increase, it could be a decrease. Now, depending on the actual question, what you need to do fundamentally in these type of questions are, you have to first find out what is the change in the value. And how do you find change in the value? If the value has decreased, if the value has decreased from the original value, we call that original value as base value. So then you will do base value minus new value. However, if the value has increased, so if the price has increased, for example, a shirt price, it has increased from the original price to a new price. So new value minus base value. Now here, don't get confused. What you need to do is you need to find out change in the value. Subtract the smaller figure from the bigger figure. Don't worry about getting into a formulation of should it be decrease or increase, should it be base value minus new value or new value minus base value. You should have a positive value, so for that subtract the smaller figure from the bigger figure. Ultimately it is going to be a play between base value and new value. Change in the value is something which you are interested in. You will get the change in the value. Now how to find the percentage increase or decrease? That's the fundamental formula. Change in value divided by the base value multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage increase or decrease. So what you do finally to get increase or decrease in percent, you put into numerator the change in the value, in the denominator you put the base value, multiplied by 100. Whatever you get, it will be the answer to your question, which would be increase or decrease in percent as the case might be. So now take a look at the question and test your understanding of the concept. A price of a shirt has increased from rupees 200 to rupees 250. Find the percentage increase in the price of the shirt. Now what do we do? Apply the concept. We are interested in finding out what is the base value, what is the new value, and we find that base value is 200, new value is 250. Oh, new value is bigger, so let's find out a change in value. And change in value is new value minus base value, which is 200 minus 250 minus 200, sorry, 250 minus 200. The change in value we get as rupees 50. How do we give the percentages increase in the price of shirt? Is going to be change in value divided by base value into 100. Let's put the exact values. So change in value is 50 rupees. The base value is 200 rupees multiplied by 100. Knock it off. 100 goes 2 times to 200. Now 2 goes 25 times to 50. The final answer is 25%. Now take a look at this question. The base value is something which you need to figure out in all questions where you have to find out increase or decrease. So here base value is 200, new value is 250. Let's take a look at question number 4 from exercise 8.3. of NCERT. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. Next year the price went to 3,70,000. So price went up to 370. Now what was the percentages of price increase? So what is our base value? Base value is 3,50,000. What is our new value? It is rupees 3,70,000. So our goal is to find out change in the value. We know that the new value is bigger, so we will subtract the base value from the new value, which is 370 minus 350. Finally, what you get is rupees 20,000 is the change in the value. What's the percentage increase? The increase in percent is going to be change in value upon base value into 100. That's the formula which you have learned. We need to apply it out here. What's the change in the value to 20,000? What is the base value? Take a look at the question. Base value is 3,50,000 multiplied by 100. Solve this expression and what you get is 5.71% is the answer. So again, the criticality of you needs to understand what is the base value, because that's what is going to come in the denominator. So understand this part, solve more and more problems to get a confidence on cracking any such type of problems. Thank you very much for watching the video. You can write us at 98211599097 or may mail us at mathsgym2020@gmail.com. If you have not yet subscribe the channel. You would get some more interesting conceptual videos for helping you build your base and also improve your mathematics learning.